She's giving Beyonce. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about this beautiful unit from NADULA. This is the 6 by 4.5 pre-cut lace closure wig, wear and go for beginners, in the color Honey Blonde Highlights. And this is the body wave wig. Super, super cute. Let me give you a quick 360. Absolutely love this unit. The color, the waves, so beginner friendly because I'm still learning about this lace and melting lace and cutting lace and all the things with the lace, but your girl here got me together. Super, super easy. Less than 5-minute install. Loving her. Let me show you how quick and easy it was to install this unit. Keep on watching. absolutely obsessed with this unit, the color, the waves, the fact that it was pre-cut, made it so simple to install. I do baby hairs with my natural hair, but with wigs, that big swoop on the side, not the biggest fan of that, so I just left it with no baby hairs, which looks a little more natural for me, and no judgment to the girlies that love the baby hairs. Do you, boo? I just don't know how to do it well with the wig, so I don't do it. But yes, absolutely love this little unit. She's cute, fun, flirty, perfect for the summer. You'll definitely be seeing more of her on my channel, so prepare to be sick of me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.